Hello again. In this video, I will explain the function of
Silent aim, okay?
let's first look at the configuration we should have. The range of the circle is purely visual since the real range of your attack will be decided by the server based on certain conditions. Well, first of all, silent aim will come to you like this, a default configuration. You can leave the cone and I just prefer the circle. To enable silent aim, you must check this box. If your overlay disappears, it means it is disabled. Okay? We will test everything in normal mode. I advise you this type of configuration. Your default configuration will come with about 700. I recommend it like this. Set this to the maximum and this to the minimum. Okay, these templates will not appear for you. This is the template system. If you don't generate your template, it simply won't work. You have to generate templates with each dino you play. That is, if I generate a template with the Tyrannosaurus Rex right now, it will only work for the Tyrannosaurus Rex. The templates do not have to be generated every time you open the game or every time you change servers. Templates are persistent. You just need to generate a new template when you see that your current template no longer works. That is, when you no longer make impacts by biting the air. Okay, let's start generating a template. You must have silent aim activated. With this configuration, it's fine. And we will proceed to generate a template. How do you generate a template? Simply, you have to physically bite any dino um, with any attack from your dinosaur. That is to say, well, now something very important to hear. The templates save a snapshot of your attack, of the attack that you perform. Yeah, that is, if I perform a normal bite attack, I will capture a template of the normal bite attack of the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Here I have it captured, as you can see, and now silent aim should work. There's a hidden in, okay, you see, I'm here and silent aim worked perfectly. Okay, now the normal silent aim will always shoot randomly, that is at the first bone it finds. That's why we do 769 damage Kendesendemon, because we are biting the pelvis. That is a part of the torso. Okay, now that we know how to configure our silent aim correctly, we will see how to configure and use the zone attack function together. Okay, here we already have our template correctly configured. We already have silent aim working. We go to movement and combat, and I'll show you properly. We configure attack zone. Okay, you will have something like this in off. Simply, you need to come here, select the part you want. It doesn't matter. And for the first time you configure it, it is necessary to deactivate silent aim. Only the first time you are going to configure attack zone. Okay. We are going to configure it with another T-Rex. We are going to spawn. Okay, here's another T-Rex. Now then, I think it was a bad choice where I spawned it, but oh well. to configure it, we simply need to physically bite all the parts that come here. Every time we make a bite right at that part, legitimately we will learn it. This only needs to be done once, as the program will save a file on your computer, and that file will be read every time you inject the program into a new session. Okay, let's get this sorted. As we can see here, it shows me that I just hit spine 04 on the head. Show counts as a bone of the head, so we already have learned the head. Okay, we can continue biting other parts. Okay, now we will only produce hits to the head since we have head selected here. So we can select off to hit other parts of the body, any different parts of the body. And here we see how we are biting different things to learn the different parts of the body. This nape, torso, tail, legs, arms.
Okay, well, for this, I'm going to show you now how to combine silent aim and attack zone to be able to deal really overwhelming damage. Okay, here we already have attack zone configured. We already learned head. We select head, and now we activate silent aim.
And now, as you can see, we deal terribly lethal damage. Okay, and as you see, all our attacks were redirected towards the head, towards a bone in the head, which in this case is jaw. Okay, and with nothing more to say in this video because it gets very long, that would be all. In the next video, we will see some tips and things for silent aim and attack zone.